Is it time to buy or sell Poet Technology stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Poet Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. 8th of August, 2025, our system has identified Poet Technologies as a sell candidate, awarding it a score of -2.46. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.55%. This equates to an average return of 0.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $5.19 is surpassed, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rising rate, but it could also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 37.94% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 29.73% to 104.02%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 25.02%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -13.90% to +96.18% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $4.75 and $10.83. Our latest daily update for Poet Technologies presents the headline, Green Day on Monday for Poet Technologies Inc. stock after gaining approximately 0.5%. The stock price of Poet Technologies Inc. rose by approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, Monday, the 11th of August, 2025. Climbing from $5.49 to $5.52. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.29%, with a low of $5.48 and a high of $5.77. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of approximately 5.96%. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day, coinciding with the rise in price, indicating a positive technical signal, with 350,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 1 million shares changed hands, amounting to around $8.21 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.79, while the lowest was $2.46. Currently, the stock price stands at approximately 29.14%, or $2.27, below the 52-week high, and 49.82%, or $5.48, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $11. Poet Technologies reported its second quarter of 2025 financial results today and filed related disclosures, marking another public checkpoint as the company transitions toward commercialization of its photonic integrated circuits and optical engines for artificial intelligence and data centers. Earlier this summer, Poet completed a non-brokered offering valued at $25 million, which added immediate liquidity and included 5-year warrants exercisable at $8.16. Management has indicated progress toward revenue as the company received an Artificial Intelligence Hardware Innovation Award for its Terralite optical engines, and it signed a manufacturing master agreement with Nationgate in Penang to scale module assembly. The company's governance was enhanced with the appointment of a new director, and analysts have reaffirmed optimistic views as Poet holds a reported cash reserve following recent fundraising efforts. In the short term, these developments foster positive sentiment and trading momentum. Product awards, a factory partnership, and fresh capital typically elevate share prices, while the financing and outstanding warrants create near-term dilution pressure and limit upside potential until revenue visibility improves. In the long term, successful scaling, securing customers, and widespread adoption of optical interposers in artificial intelligence data centers could significantly reevaluate the stock. Conversely, delays in execution, competition for market share, or a continued pre-revenue status would maintain high downside risk. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned POET a buy rating while also recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, it was again reported that Craig-Hallum assigned POET a buy rating with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned POET Technology stock an overall strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for POET Technologies. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The stock of POET Technologies Inc. indicates a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it is likely to encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $5.83. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $5.50. A breakout above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, July 14th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 25.81%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Despite this, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 33 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal from 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for POET Technologies. POET Technologies Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.45. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 290 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.29%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 5.17%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for POET Technologies, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies may also go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profits and may raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 11 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for POET Technologies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for POET Technologies is at $6.10. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, POET Technologies encounters its first support level at $5.45. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is POET Technologies stock a good buy? POET Technologies Inc. currently presents several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of August, we anticipate that POET Technologies will open higher by 7 cents and begin trading at $5.59. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.